Welcome back to another vlog of how the fudge do I still have brain cells? No, I'm kidding. It's bonfire night, so that means... Oh yeah! That's better. It's like a trick one. It's okay. This is the very noisy one. Watch. Yeah. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. Oh wait. Did it? Not done. It's lagging. Oh, that's nice. Five. Okay, there you go. That's the one I was telling you about. It took so long. It went over the tree. Oh, it's dropping everything. There's many rockets. Yeah, got a weapon. Okay. It might hit your head. There it goes.
That's my one.
Where is the fountain? It might be dead.
No way. Wait, somebody surprised us.
Wait. Don't go fun.
You just gotta be the baby.
Do you think that's what happened to the one that didn't rise? It's dead. All I can see is smoke on the camera. Look. That didn't want to do it. Oh my god. Look at that thing filming.
Oh my god!
Just need to wait.
Somebody else has fire still.
Just wait, man. Look, it's.
You've got a lot of cleaning up to do.
Awesome thing ever, you ready?